Most people think that they're inconsistent because they're lazy or unmotivated, but that's simply not true. The truth is, you do not build discipline through motivation, you build it through habits. And I'm not talking about the cute, static Pinterest routine. I'm talking about the one that actually rewire your brain to show up even when you don't feel like it. So today I'm sharing my 10 healthy girl habits that actually changed my life. If you are in your discipline girl era, your I'm done playing games era, this one is for you. Waking up early changed everything for me. Not because of aesthetic, but because it gave me room to think, move, breathe without rushing. The key to this is charging your phone across the room so that you have to physically get up once your alarm goes off. I like to use a sticky note with some type of quote or saying on it. So one of my favorite ones is, you gotta want it bad enough. If I see that on my sticky note, I'm up. That tiny reminder made me pause every single morning and get that done. I'm 2.5 weeks into my discipline girl journey, and now I wake up before my alarm. My body is trained and my mindset has shifted. So I'm a picky eater and I would not eat anything that tastes nasty. I cannot do it, y'all. I cannot do it. And that's why I only stick to like 2 or 3 vegetables. The rest, even with fruit, if they're not sweet, can't do it. So if it's not like watermelon, grapes, or bananas, it was a no for me. And please do not get me started on kale. Oh my goodness, I hated kale so much. Only eating 2 to 3 vegetables and 2 to 3 fruits was not it. So I had to figure out a way to get more vegetables and fruit in. So I started making smoothies. If you tweak the smoothies to your liking by adding like honey, bananas, even sliced apples to sweeten it up, I put kale in my smoothies every single time I make them, y'all, and I do not taste it. Also, green tea. Green tea has a lot of great benefits, and I wanted to be a morning tea drinker, but it was a no for me. Like, it literally made me gag and want to vomit. So no, green tea was a no for me. So you know what I started doing? I started using that instead of water or milk or orange juice for the base of my smoothies. I use green tea. Also, adding like a yogurt will sweeten your smoothies up. I do use Greek yogurt for the protein. Smoothies have really been a game changer for me to getting those fruits and vegetables in. I drink one every single day and now I love them. I've never been a gym girly, and when I tried strength training at home, like with dumbbells and the kettlebells and weights and stuff, my niece said absolutely not. Girl, 250, girl. With that being said, I just started walking. No treadmill, no track, just walking in place, literally. I've lost 20 pounds so far by doing this, on top of changing my diet and lifestyle and stuff, but I would get more into these things next week when we focus on our physical glow up. I used to wake up and follow my mood every single day. I'm talking about just winging it. I'll write my to-do list out in my notes app and never look at it again. Now I time block. I literally give every single task a home. The key to this is planning the night before. That way you don't waste time in the morning trying to figure out what to do. You just get to it. This one is everything. I started journaling as a way to brain dump, especially when I felt anxious or stuck. It helped me get clear on what I was feeling and what I needed. I also started writing 3 things that I'm grateful for every single morning. I am so grateful for the fact that I'm actually starting to chase my goals and dreams. I'm actually living in answered prayers, things like that. Even if you're not religious, having that higher power to thank or to connect to, it keeps you grounded. Let's be clear, a night routine isn't just about skincare and candles. It's how you prep yourself for success. This puts me in the mindset for the next morning before my day even ends. Listen, I am not here to take away your coffee or your energy drinks, but you need to drink water before that. Your body has literally gone 7 to 8 hours without hydration. And if you're trying to be focused, energized, and disciplined, water is not optional. Start with a full glass of water the second you wake up. And make sure you are getting at least 2 to 3 liters. I used to be up all freaking night. All night just scrolling. Doom scrolling. Couldn't sleep. I'm overthinking, so much on my mind. And then I discovered magnesium glycinate. This was a game changer for me. I had such a hard time getting on a sleep schedule until I started taking magnesium glycinate. It didn't work like the first week and a half, but now I am asleep. I am in the bed by 9. I am asleep by 10. Also, I wake up before my alarm goes off, and I am so grateful for this. I don't think I would ever stop taking it. I also cut out consuming liquids past 7 p.m. so that way I don't have to wake up going to the restroom throughout the night. Sleep isn't just rest, y'all. It's recovery, and you need at least 7 to 9 hours each night. I used to think that discipline was waking up at 5 a.m. in a silk robe, drinking your green juice, and doing hot yoga. But discipline actually looks like waking up tired and doing it anyway. It is not always pretty, but it's powerful. This is the mindset habit that changed everything for me. I used to always wait until I felt like it. I used to wait until I felt motivated to do something. But growth does not come from comfort. It comes from doing the hard things before you're even ready. I told myself, you do not need to feel ready, you just need to start. And that is how you build confidence, by showing up even when it's messy, when you're unsure, and just doing it anyway. If you are still watching this, and I already know that you care about becoming the best version of yourself. Not just the aesthetic version, but the disciplined one. And I want you to know that it's not about being perfect. It's about choosing one small habit today and doing it with love over and over again. So here's your challenge. Comment one habit from this list that you're going to commit to this week. Also add this emoji down below in the comments so that I know that you're still here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.